Hey everyone, welcome to this video on the impact of AI investment apps and software on the world of finance. Investing is a crucial aspect of building wealth and securing your financial future. And in today's fast-paced world, AI investment apps and software are quickly influencing the way people invest. When done correctly, investment apps and software can be powerful tools for increasing your potential income. They're also useful when used in combination with software such as crypto portfolio trackers and understanding how your investment strategy can be diversified. This can be accomplished by potentially investing in traditional items as well as newer ones, including assets such as NFT stocks and virtual real estate. However, with the advent of AI investment apps and software, there are several factors to consider when opting to use these programs. It's important to do your research before choosing the one you feel is best for you. Understanding what AI can and cannot do, and therefore being aware of the point at which human input is needed, is crucial to ensuring you're making the right decisions when investing. In an industry where the sum of investment made by corporations totaled close to $68 billion, it pays to pay attention to what is happening. With concepts such as peer-to-peer lending sites for retail investors becoming a reality, it's important to understand both current and future trends. While trading can be an exciting way to potentially earn money, it's important to understand that it comes with risks. Market trends can be unpredictable, and even the most experienced traders can lose money. It's crucial to thoroughly research and educate yourself on trading strategies before investing any money. Online trading platforms can provide access to markets and trading tools, but it's important to be cautious and not invest more than you can afford to lose. Remember, trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme and should be approached with caution. So, in this video, we'll be ranking and reviewing the best AI investment apps and software on the market. We'll provide you with information about their usefulness, which individual tasks they're most suited to, how much they cost, and how to get started when using them. We'll dive deep into this topic and help you understand how to make the most of AI investment apps and software. So, if you're interested in investing and want to learn more about how AI can help you make smarter investment decisions, then make sure to stick around till the end of the video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Let's get started. 1. Trade Ideas. Best for having an AI tool that also teaches you how to trade. Trade Ideas offers an advanced simulated trading platform with a range of tools that will help you to better understand the nuances of stock market trading and investing. One of the unique features of Trade Ideas is their proprietary Holly AI software, which is designed to help beginner traders gain a foothold in the market while minimizing the risk of losing actual money by using play money. Holly AI offers you the most versatile trading option on the market today with AI-powered automation technology that allows you to set up trades to happen whenever the market meets specific criteria. In addition, Trade Ideas allows you to connect directly to your trade account for a $0 commission trade with their brokerage account titled Brokerage Plus. This is where you can automate your trading strategies using the most advanced artificial intelligence available at the moment. Trade Ideas also offers the best and latest Alert Stock Index newsletter, which offers you 5 fresh trade ideas about stocks that you can buy and sell throughout the week. With a Trade Ideas membership, you may engage in simulated trading, allowing you to practice trading with play money. This is a great way to test out new strategies without taking any financial risk. The pricing for Trade Ideas is reasonable, with 2 pricing plans that offer various features and options to make trading easier. The standard plan costs $999 per year, while the premium plan costs $1,999 per year. The annual plan gives you a savings of $468 when compared to the monthly plan. Whether you're a beginner trader or a seasoned investor, Trade Ideas offers the most advanced AI-powered trading platform on the market. So why not give it a try and see how it can help you improve your trading strategies and increase your potential income? Get started with Trade Ideas today. 2. TrendSpider. Best for developing a technical investment strategy that works. TrendSpider's technical analysis software is an ideal choice for those looking to automate their trading strategies. With TrendSpider, you can easily build, test, and optimize your custom trading algorithms, making smarter and more efficient trading choices with advanced machine learning. TrendSpider allows you to set up specific automation when it comes to how the trading tools function, enabling you to develop, backtest, and optimize technical strategies with minimal human supervision. This means there are no limitations on how many markets or securities you can trade, allowing you to remove bias from your trading and potentially boost your win rate and profits significantly. One of the key features of TrendSpider is its ability to automate your trading strategies, making it possible to explore the equity market in an automated way. Additionally, the latest version of TrendSpider's charting AI systems makes finding winning chart setups easier than ever before. TrendSpider is an excellent choice for those who want to build and test trading strategies without limitations. It helps you learn how to program your own trading rules, avoiding human error during the trading process. and timing your trades with accurate precision based on your system's performance or market values. TrendSpider has 3 different pricing plans available: Premium, Elite, and Advanced. The Premium plan costs $440 per year, the Elite plan costs $870 per year, and the Advanced plan costs $1,310 per year. When you choose the yearly version, you'll get 2 months free. 3. Black Box Stocks, best for getting pre-market alerts before the stock market opens. As the third in the series of 7 best AI investing software and apps, we present Black Box Stocks, the most user-friendly software for trading in the market. With a simple platform, you can enter a stock symbol and run a screener based on your predefined criteria. The system finds and posts alerts that allow you to explore the best opportunities in real time, making it different from other systems available in the marketplace. With over 8,000 stocks and 90,000 options analyzed, Black Box Stocks uses real-time alerts to find the best opportunities out there. The pre-market scanner gives real-time alerts on specific symbols, allowing you to filter and find the best opportunities for scalping options, day trading, or even for swing trading. Real-time quotes are delivered to you, and you can watch top traders execute their trades so you can learn from them. Additionally, the top 40 stocks with the most significant price hikes and decreases after the market close are revealed by the Black Box post-market stock scanner, allowing you to watch them closely and observe their movement. Key features: user-friendly software that helps you find the best opportunities in real time. Pre-market scanner and post-market scanner for real-time alerts. Watch top traders execute their trades so you can learn from them. Pricing: you can get started with Black Box Stocks by filling in a simple form on their website and joining the 5-day free trial waitlist. If you want to get started immediately, you can do so for $79.97 for your first month. 4. Signally, best for having cryptocurrency AI bot performing your trades. As the fourth in the series of 7 best AI investing software and apps of 2023 YouTube video, Signally is the best for having a cryptocurrency AI bot performing your trades. Signally offers robo-trading for crypto with a unique pay when profitable feature. Their simple, intuitive, and straightforward platform ensures that you don't spend much time learning about it. Instead, Signally takes care of everything, allowing you to focus on trades worth investing in. Signally has direct integrations with Binance, VCC Exchange, KuCoin, BitMEX, and more blockchain platforms on the way. You can choose the mode in which the bot works, from semi-automated to 100% delegated, to ensure that you get the best possible returns. Key features: follow Signally's professional crypto traders and achieve the same results, without complex learning curves or strategies to understand. Trade directly through Signally's platform on your preferred exchange or allow them to do it for you. Monitor your earnings from one dashboard using your favorite crypto portfolio tracker. Signally incorporates a performance-based model and a high watermark feature into the copy trading functionality to enhance all procedures using a single position for both traders and investors. Pricing: Signally is a free trading platform that offers performance-based copy trading. However, you must pay the exchange fee that you choose to trade on. 5. Tickerin, best for getting signals for both swing and day stock trading. As the fifth in our series of the 7 best AI investing software and apps of 2023, we present Tickerin, a platform that provides signals for a variety of different trades. From day and swing stock trading to day and swing crypto trading, and even signals for day and forex trading, Tickerin offers it all within a single platform. Tickerin claims that real-time pattern trading is the simplest way to determine entry and exit prices. However, scanning hundreds of cryptos in minutes is impossible for humans. That's where AI comes to the rescue. Tickerin utilizes AI not only to identify these trends but also to see if these trends worked out well in the past. Understanding past performance increases your chances of having winning trades in the present, and the combination of all available data helps when it comes to future performance. Here are the key features of Tickerin. The platform analyzes a large number of signals daily to select the best ones for its users, and compares these with the stock's historical data points to only send accurate signals. Tickerin's real-time patterns feed scans hundreds of cryptos every minute in search of patterns, with both bullish and bearish pattern scanning. Tickerin provides specific data that allows you to trade just the way you like. With information about crypto, stocks, and forex, you'll always have access to the best trading opportunities. Now, let's talk about pricing. Tickerin offers various plans for its members, including a free version for all following plans. The paid plans are listed below. Swing Trader, $60 per month. Day Trader, $50 per month. Investor, $100 per month. Advisor, $50 per month. Overall, Tickerin is an excellent option for those who want a platform that offers signals for various types of trades and utilizes AI to increase the chances of winning trades. 6. Kvout, best for performing machine learning investments. As the sixth in the series of 7 best AI investing software and apps, Kvout offers a platform that combines machine intelligence and machine learning to provide you with the necessary information to make informed financial decisions. With Kvout, you get access to equity factors and trading signals that have been proven and validated through thorough research. The platform has a team of experts and engineers with vast experience at top companies like Microsoft, Google, and Baidu, ensuring that you get accurate and high-quality signals. Key features: Kvout provides personalized factor tilt portfolios from various stock industries and sectors. You also have the option to create and analyze your portfolio from scratch. The platform conducts factor loading market analysis, sector exposure, and detailed sub-factor level statistics, giving you a higher probability of success. Additionally, the stock pool's selection is determined by 5 key elements, 60+ sub-variables, or a mix of both. Pricing: Kvout's pricing is not publicly available. Contact them directly for more information on their pricing. Kvout is an excellent platform for investors looking for personalized factor tilt portfolios and accurate trading signals backed by thorough research methodology. 7. VectorVest, best for having a simple approach to a complex industry. VectorVest is perfect for those who want a simple approach to a complex industry. It tells you when to buy and sell the right stock and provides expert stock analysis and market advice paired with easy-to-read charts and graphs. The data VectorVest provides is accurate, up-to-date, and presented in a way you can understand. With their guidance, you'll have an edge over other investors. Key features: a holistic approach to investing that considers market patterns and fundamental values to determine the best stocks and sectors to invest in. Investing methods that have been developed and tested for success. Forecasts to help you identify precise trading entry and exit points and provide useful information about the current market. Pricing: VectorVest offers a 30-day trial at just 99 cents for all their products. After that, they offer 3 pricing plans with different features, including Basic for $69 per month, Enhanced for $99 per month, and Premium for $149 per month. Other AI trading software not mentioned in this article include Equibot and MetaTrader 4. In conclusion, trading can be a thrilling and lucrative endeavor, but it's important to remember that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires discipline, knowledge, and patience. Before diving into the world of trading, take the time to educate yourself on the risks involved and seek guidance from experienced traders. But hey, if you're up for the challenge and willing to put in the effort, who knows? Maybe you'll be the next Warren Buffett or George Soros. Just don't forget to invite us to your yacht party. And if you're not quite ready to take on the stock market, that's okay too. You can always stick to playing the lottery or spinning the roulette wheel. Just remember, the odds are not in your favor. So, trade smart, invest wisely, and never underestimate the power of luck. And a good sense of humor. Also remember, this video is not intending to provide financial advice. Speak to your financial advisor before investing. I hope you find this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe it. Thanks for watching.